Hi there, this is video 3.20, and it's called the principle of inclusion and exclusion for two sets, and it's a formula that's in the textbook. I'm going to be absolutely honest with you. Well, I guess I'm getting ahead of myself, but I'll tell you a secret. You don't have to use it. I can do all, you and I can do all the math in the entire chapter without using the scalar thinking formula. But it's not bad practice. But first of all, I want you to figure out how many red cards or queens there are in a deck of cards. So if you want, pause the video and however you want to do it. You got an answer? I think, and I probably should word it well, I'll tell you how I'm going to figure it out. So my brain said, red cards, there's 26 in a deck. That's going to be 13 hearts, 13 diamonds. So that's going to get rid of those. And for queens, well, I'm going to be absolutely honest how I did it. My brain said, okay, there's queens, there's 4 of them. Well, yeah. Okay. But I have to, that gives me 30, but whoops, -2 should go there, 28. To be honest, my brain actually said that there's 26 red cards, and then we still need to count the queen of spades and the queen of clubs. I'm sorry, my dog is vocalizing over there and she's sounding very funny. Either way, we're going to get 28. Oh, the reasoning I did here is essentially what this says. Okay, so this is the number of elements in 2 sets. So set A or set B is equal to the number of the first set plus the number in the second set minus the intersection. So like I said here, how am I going to do this? Well, you know what? Let's use the formula. That was the point of this question. Okay, so instead of A's and B's, I'm going to put R for red and Q for queen. So then is equal to the number of red cards plus the number of queen cards minus number of red and queen, which is what I was doing here. So in a deck, the number of red cards, again, here is 13 diamonds, 13 hearts. That's going to be 26 altogether, plus the number of queens. There's 4 suits, so there's 4 queens, minus the number of red and queen at the same time. So that's going to be 2. Okay, so the 4 is hearts, diamonds, spades, clubs. So you can see here is where we're counting stuff twice, because the queens got counted here and the queens got counted here. So then we need to take away queen of hearts and diamonds. And after all of that, now that I've labeled it and made it all look messy, is 28. Oops. Option 3 would have been just pull out a package of cards and count them. So there is a different version of this formula. And which one you use, if you choose to use them, is going to depend on the information the question gives you. So you can also look at the number of A or B is equal to the number of A but not B, plus the number of B plus not A, plus the number of the intersection. Okay, there it's all written out nicely for you. Let's talk about it with the queens and red and queens, and it'll make more sense. I'm still looking for the union, which is the or. Now, we're going to go red, but not queen, plus number of. Now, see how it flips? Queen, but not red. Remember, the but not matters with the order. Okay, this will be easier with the deck cards, but you're clever. We'll work through it. Okay, so we need the cards that are red, but not queens. So that's going to be ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, king, right? We can't count the king, queen. So that's going to be 12 diamonds and 12 hearts. So ace, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, king of hearts, and ace, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, jack, king of diamonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times 2 is 24. Plus.
You want to go outside?
Ones that are queens, but not red.
Go outside?
Hold on for a sec. Now we want queens that aren't red. So that's going to be the queen of spades. Oops. Go down here. Queen of spades and the queen of clubs. So sorry. I would do this in pencil, but you can't see it. And I did go and buy myself some fancy erasable pens, but truthfully, the ones I bought don't work very good. Plus, sorry, go off topic there. Now we want the ones that are red and queen. So that's going to be the queen of hearts, queen of diamonds. So that's going to be 2. So 24 plus 2 plus 2 is going to be 28. So we got exactly the same answer. It doesn't really matter which one you use. And truthfully, I'm not sure I would use a formula. Where have I got some room? Yeah, I'm more likely to use a Venn diagram. Here's my red, my queens, and I've got the queen of hearts, queen of diamonds there. I'm going to have the queen of spades and the queen of clubs over here. And then I got ace, ace to jack plus king of hearts, ace to jack plus king of diamonds. Oh, that got very, very messy. But if I draw the picture bigger, or I just had the cards and was sorting through the cards and picking them out, it'd be easier to figure out that there's a grand total of 20 there. There's 2 there, there's 2 there, and there's 24 in it. Okay. But like I said, I just wanted to show you this because the curriculum that I'm supposed to, but you can do all the questions without actually. Have a lovely day.